Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about the engineering design processes. So what is engineering design processes? The engineering design processes is a series of steps that engineers follow to come up with a solution to a problem. Many times the solution involves designing a product that meets certain criteria and accomplishes a certain task. There are 9 steps for design processes. They are problem definition, requirements capture, analysis, design, testing, prototyping, prototype testing, design modification, and release to production. Before we start with the 9 design processes, I'll give a brief introduction about scalpel. Firstly, traditional scalpel. Many surgeons have experienced firsthand the effects of a sharp injury using traditional scalpel. And secondly, scalpel with protected blades, which is disposable scalpel. It first came on the market, constructed entirely of plastic sans the blade. And lastly, safety scalpel were developed that came in the form of disposable cartridge and a stainless steel handle that is reused after autoclave. So let's get started. The first, problem definition. The engineering design process starts when you ask the questions and problems that you observe. What needs fixing or improving, or what are you trying to do? For example, historically, the preferred material for surgical scalpels was silver, on account of its antimicrobial properties. By using zirconium nitride coated edge, this will improve sharpness and edge retention. So next will be requirements capture. Requirements capture is an essential part of any project and project management. Understanding fully what a project will deliver is critical to its success. If you are designing a scalpel, the design requirement needs to include safety, material, or weights. So next will be analysis. On the first bullet, the scalpel under design must be analyzed to determine whether the performance complies with the specification. As the analysis may reveal that the scalpel or design may not be an optimal one, in which case the synthesis must begin again. So now is design. There are always many good possibilities for solving design problems. Try to generate as many possible designs as you can, and look at each possible solution met the design requirements using design metrics. Choose the solution that meets the most design requirements. Prototyping is a prototype is an operating version of a solution. It is made with different materials than the final version and made the product using 3D printer. Prototype testing allows designers to test the prototype to see whether it works well and meets the requirements, and shows solution to users for feedbacks. Now is design modification. Based on users' feedback, you will need to modify your solution to make it better, and repeat this process of testing, fixing the issues, and then retesting multiple times until your solution is as successful as possible. And lastly, release to production. Communication of the design to others like investors or board of directors is the final vital step in the design process. Once the design is successful and confirmed, the ideas are sold to management, wherein which the decision to proceed to the next phase of the product development cycle is manufacturing and delivery to market. And now I end my video, and thank you for listening.